get lonely.
Hey, this is Taylor Hicks here. Obviously, this will be a riding shotgun video. We're in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and we're about to play a really cool little festival, and we're about to go to the stage, and you guys will have a great time, I promise.
Fine. Those empty fields and flat lands might make you have to lose your mind. Feel the heat and the cold. Cut the air with a knife, but you're just passing through it.
It's probably one of the largest police escorts that I've ever gotten, and which is kind of interesting. Pretty awesome, actually. So we're riding shotgun with about 20 motorcycle cops, and you know, if you really want to feel like the president, then now's the time. So as you can see, there's the way that they work this thing is that one of them moves the front, and then one of them moves to the back, but tandem. This is Alabama. This is Alabama for you.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you win American Idol in the state of Alabama.
I'm gonna tear this whole place down and I'll be on my way.
We're riding shotgun with about 15 police officers right now.
On our way to Holt High School in Tuscaloosa for the UA Cultural Festival. Well, we're headlining today, Sunday afternoon. Hey.
Well, let me get right down to it. I just can't get enough. You know you hate being down.
Won't you give me 2 more, Mr. Waiter, 'cause you know I got a whole lot on my mind.
A simple refrain, yes, it's just a song.
We just got done with a wonderful little festival here, and just want to show you something. This is probably the largest police escort that I've ever gotten. These are all my guys. Wait, guys. This is going to be pretty fun, so I'm hoping you enjoy it. Thanks to all the people that came out today and support your local communities, because it means a lot to folks. So we're going to make a really fast ride out of here, so check it out.